Hello, I saw your question posted on discussion board. You're given this information here. You have a triangle, two triangles with a common side here. They label this common side the height. You got a triangle here. You got H, one side X, and C's up 2. And you got the bigger one, which has H in common. This side would actually be A plus X. This side would be C1. They give us angle A is 40, this angle BDC is 54, and they give us C sub 2 is 23. They ask for HX and A. HX and A. They don't ask for C1. So there's three parts to it. The sine of theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. So the sine of 54 would equal H over H over C sub 2, which is the hypotenuse over 23. Multiply both sides by 23 and you put in your calculator, H comes out to 18.607. The cosine, the same angle here, is adjacent over hypotenuse, so it'd be 54. Cosine 54 equals X over 23. Multiply again by 23. The only difference here, this one's cosine, put in your calculator, and X comes out to about 13.519. And then the last part's a little more complicated. You want to find A. Well, I use tangent here. So tangent of 40, tangent equals opposite over adjacent. So tangent of 40 would equal H, and the total length of this side would be A plus X. H was found there, and X was already found. So those two are known. The only thing unknown here is A. So I'll put that in the calculator. Get tangent of 40 degrees, 0.839. Multiply each side by A plus 13.519. It cancels, leaving you just 18.607. I distribute over here and subtract 11.344 from each side. Then finally divide by 0.839. We get the final answer for A, which is 8.657, which is this part here. A plus X would be the whole side of this bigger triangle. Hope that helps.